We've had a decade of consecutive compound growth. And last year, the growth in natural and organic health and beauty products was 23%. It's a huge trend and one we just can't ignore. People are voting with their feet and literally looking for the endorsement. Consumers increasingly are looking for logos like the Soil Association, various eco standards, natural standards, lack of artificials, all over their packaging. Front of pack, back of pack, on claims. Brand names increasingly echo these themes of purity, naturalness and organic elements. Vegan and cruelty-free is the zeitgeist of the health and beauty age. New vegan brands are appearing and shaking up and disrupting the category, and existing brands are trying to think about how they can get their back catalogue cruelty-free and vegan, and having to work at haste to do this. And why is there an urgency? Shoppers are demanding it. Whilst on the one hand only 7% of UK shoppers would say they're following a vegan diet, many more want organic, natural, cruelty-free vegan cosmetics. And you're seeing a panoply of micro-influencers creating cruelty-free cosmetic lists, pointing the way to new brands, looking at sustainable shopping, reviewing en masse, and therefore they're helping shoppers navigate this new landscape of cosmetics. And after a while, that mass of consumer reviews starts to dictate new product priorities, particularly in areas like cruelty-free. So having been banned in Europe and the UK, animal testing is on its way out in Japan, in Turkey, in Guatemala, in the Ukraine. There's a global movement to edge out these old practices of animal testing. And that's really busting and disrupting the paradigm of the large cosmetic companies who historically have had big back catalogues, long well-established brands, long well-established raw materials and formulations that were unfortunately built on the basis of animal testing. And they're now at pace having to rework those raw materials, rework those formulations to test them but not using animals. And all the while, the new disruptive vegan and organic and natural companies are coming in out of the box with the formulations that are making the grade for what the new shopper wants. And in this new paradigm, it's a much more level playing field between the new disruptive cruelty-free and vegan brands and the established brands of yesteryear. And it's making for a fascinating landscape, not only for us as analysts, but for shoppers out there trying to navigate their way through and find out how these brands can be incorporated into their lifestyles, and which of these brands has genuine depth in the areas of vegan and natural and cruelty-free. If you look at the forecasts, by 2024, globally, £22 billion worth of sales will come from natural and organic. And it'll be fascinating to see just how this unfolds. And if there's anything like that, that's an absolute sea change in the category. And we're going to see brands and the large companies and the disruptive companies double down on their focus on natural, cruelty-free and organic.